Hello friends, welcome to my channel NetGate Physics. Today I discuss another problem that is asked in GATE 2017. The problem is based on the quantum mechanics partition theory. You all know that partition theory one of the most important topic in this GATE exam as well as the NET exam. So let's discuss this problem. A one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator with Hamiltonian that is given h naught equals to p square by 2m plus half k x square is subjected to a small partition, that is h1 equals to alpha x plus beta x cube plus gamma x to the power 4. Here the partition means the small change in potential energy in the system. Okay, now we have to find the first order correction to the ground state energy is depend on only beta or alpha and gamma or alpha and beta or only gamma. Okay, so to solve this problem, at first we should know what is the wave function of the one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. Now we know in general form of the wave function of the one-dimensional harmonic oscillator is psi n. Here n denote the nth state. So psi n equals to capital N. Here the capital N is the normalization constant. H n x, it is the Hermite polynomial into e to the power minus m omega by 2h cut x square. You should remember it always. Okay. Now it is for the nth state. But here in this question we have to find for the ground state. So for the ground state we know n equals to 0. So we get psi naught equals to n h naught x e to the power minus m omega by 2h cut x square. Now from the property of Hermite polynomial we know h naught x equals to 1. So we get the psi naught equals to n e to the power minus m omega by 2h cut x square. Okay, so we get the wave function of the one-dimensional harmonic oscillator. Now we have to find the first order correction. So for the first order correction we know E1 equals to bra psi part of term, that is H1 into ket psi. So we get E1 equals to minus infinity to infinity bra psi. So n star e to the power minus m omega by 2h cut x square, as we get earlier psi naught equals to n e to the power minus m omega by 2h cut x square. So after that the part of term, that is alpha x plus beta x cube plus gamma x to the power 4. So if we put here all the term, we get this n star and n become mod n square minus infinity to infinity alpha x plus beta x cube plus gamma x to the power 4 into e to the power minus m omega by h cut x square dx. Now in the next step we separate all these three terms. Okay, so we get mod n square minus infinity to infinity alpha x e to the power alpha x e to the power minus m omega by h cut x square dx. In this term x is the odd function. We all know x is the odd function because if we replace x by minus x, so we get minus x, so it is an odd function, and e to the power minus m omega by h cut x square, it is an even function. Okay, now even function multiplied by the odd function become odd function, and if we integrate it minus infinity to infinity we get 0. So this term contribute nothing. And now for the second term, if we integrate it minus infinity to infinity, now x cube is the odd function and e to the power minus m omega by h cut x square, it is the even function. Now again even function multiplied by the odd function become odd function, so this term also contribute nothing and gives 0. Okay, now for the third term we can see here x to the power 4, it is even function, and e to the power minus m omega by h cut x square, it is also even function. So only this term will contribute. Okay, so at last we get e1, this one denote the first order correction, equals to mod n square gamma minus infinity to infinity x to the power 4 e to the power minus m omega by h cut x square dx. Now the question is, find the first order correction to the ground state energy is depend on which factor. Okay, so you don't need to calculate this term. Okay, and you can see that the first order correction is depend on only gamma. So the option D is correct. Okay, so I think you all understand it, and if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.